morning, friends. We are once again together with a new assignment. But before that, let's start with a practice which I have told you all to do regularly, right? So, let's start with a practice with a warm up. From left to right, then right to left. I hope all are doing this regularly. Okay, now slant from top to bottom, then bottom to top, then in the opposite direction here. Again from bottom to top. See this, again and again I'm telling you all that you all have to do this exercise regularly for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? And it's not necessary that you have to take the plain paper. You all can do even that, even in newspaper also, okay? Now, after this, we'll practice circle, clockwise, anti-clockwise, and standing line from top to bottom, again from bottom to top, okay? These are our regular strokes. Fine. Now we will start. In previous this I had shown you all the things, objects and animals whatever I had made from circles, right? We had done from circle with the shape circle, and today I will show you with the shape square. Fine. Normally we can do it without scale also, but I will show you, as you are all small, I'll show you with scale. Okay, see this. Okay, so now we have completed with the different objects made from square. Okay, now we will take our art and craft book. This is our art and craft book, page number 1.23. Okay, and the topic is design. Fine. So we'll make some design in our book. So first, pattern. Okay, what are you all going to do is first we are going to do the 4 edges lines, right? We'll complete first a square, then afterwards one slipping line in the middle, then one standing line, and you all are given here dots. Can you all see this dots? See this dots. From this dot to this dot, you all are going to make one standing line, and even here, and then again you are going to join this dots also. Okay, now we are going to complete the coloring. Now with black sketch pen we will give the whole outline. Okay. So here we have completed with our one square. And now I'll show you the next square. Okay. Let's start. This. Okay. And now with black we'll do the outline. We have completed with our square. Okay. Now we'll go to the next assignment. And now our next assignment is see this. Here I have used triangles, rectangles, square, circle. Okay. Now we will color the mug. Okay. So we have finished with our geometrical shapes. And now what are we going to do is we are going to give it black outline. So let's start. So now we have completed our mug. And our next assignment is kite. Here you all can see kite. Okay, we'll complete our kite. So we have completed with our kite also. You all have to color the clouds, the sun, the kite, and draw the birds in the air. Okay, in the sky. So bye. Have a good day. Stay blessed, beta.